In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make character yell, scream, cry, or whisper in ElevenLabs. We'll start right from a fresh browser so you can follow along easily. Open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs and hit enter. You should see the official ElevenLabs website at the top of the results. Click that result to head to their homepage. Once you're on the site, look for the text-to-speech section and open it. This is where we'll type our lines and guide the performance. The key to getting emotions like yelling, screaming, crying, or whispering is to use simple stage directions in square brackets inside your script. The brackets help the model understand your intent without reading those words aloud, and they should be placed right before the words you want to stylize. In the text box, write your dialogue the way you normally would, and insert bracketed cues such as yelling, screaming, crying, or whispering. For example, you might write, whispering, keep your voice down, they're right outside. Then follow with a contrast like yelling, hey, over here. To capture a more emotional moment, try crying, I can't do this alone. And if you need an urgent burst, use screaming. Watch out. Keep your bracket cues short and clear. You can add light descriptors such as crying, shaky, or whispering softly, but avoid long sentences inside the brackets. Place the cue immediately before the words it should affect, and use standard punctuation around your lines to maintain natural rhythm. If you have multiple emotions in one sentence, place the cue right where the change happens so the voice can follow along smoothly. When your prompt looks good, click Generate Speech. Give it a moment to process. Then listen closely to the playback. If a section isn't intense enough, try stronger cues like yelling loudly, or simplify to just yelling for clarity. If the whisper sounds too faint, keep the cue as whispering, but add firmer punctuation in the line itself to shape phrasing. Small edits can make a big difference, so don't hesitate to tweak the bracket placement and regenerate. That's it. You searched for ElevenLabs, opened text-to-speech, wrote a prompt that includes bracketed cues like yelling, screaming, crying, and whispering, and generated the speech. With a few quick iterations, you'll get expressive performances that fit your scene perfectly.